Welcome to Program Review 2.0. A group of Palomar faculty and administrators have been working diligently over the past year to present you with an all-inclusive program review form. The new PRP combines everything: program review, faculty hiring, and resource requests. Maybe you've been asked to complete different portions at different times. Well, now it's streamlined into one form. The changes you'll see in the new program review and planning form are intended to achieve a couple goals. The first goal of this revised PRP is to facilitate meaningful reflection on the current and future states of your programs. Second, the new format of the form will make it easier for faculty to pull together information from across programs to use in supporting other college efforts. But if you don't believe me, let's hear what our colleagues had to say about how program review helped improve their programs and support students.
As a result of our PRP, we have instituted several changes, including department orientations for students, our Child Development 99 Preparation for Child Development Majors class, restructuring our degrees and certificates, community advising sessions at workplaces in the district, and more.
Using the PRP has allowed us to identify program needs, such as program curriculum changes and necessary upgrades to our simulation lab and simulation curriculum. We are now in the process of revising the entire program curriculum. We have hired additional faculty for our sim lab to provide a more robust simulation component to our curriculum, both of which should show positive outcomes in success and retention.
This program review is also designed with guided pathways in mind. Many of our students wish to move through our system efficiently, get the courses they need to transfer, or obtain a career in a reasonable time frame. Our current system, however, has many roadblocks for these students. Program review can help us analyze our programs and those roadblocks to improve our current practices and to support students. The program review is also centered around the Chancellor's vision for success. This vision emphasizes the need for completion and to address elements that prevent completion in our institutions, particularly in reducing the time to completion and increasing completion overall. In addition, the vision emphasizes addressing equity gaps in completion and action-oriented methods to reduce those gaps significantly. Program review provides data and the ability to be thoughtful about these issues and help make recommendations that can improve Palomar College. Now let's discuss how to get started. As you begin your program review, you'll need to access data. Here's what you'll need. Institutional Research and Planning has pulled together all kinds of data to help you in reflecting on your program's strengths and opportunities. You'll be introduced to this data as you move through the PRP form. You'll also need to review the course and program assessment data that you have recorded and tracked at. Another source that you'll need, which may be new to you, is market data for careers related to your discipline. Finally, take out those program goals from your last PRP to use when reflecting on progress and new directions. You'll be introduced to these sources in subsequent videos. For now, just know that you will have a wealth of data available to you to analyze your programs. Now let's take a look at the form. The PRP form is available in a new and improved format. You'll be using the Cognito software to complete your program review. There are 7 sections to the form. While you may access the sections at any time using the form, we recommend starting with the basic information and progressing through until you reach staffing and resources. Of course, you can return to any section of the form at any time to make changes. Here's a view of the live form. Note the 7 sections on the top. To start, simply start filling out the boxes. Please note that this is an interactive form. The questions presented to you will vary depending on your responses. For example, if you indicate that at least one of your programs is a vocational program, then the labor market section of the form will have an additional set of questions. The form and all 7 sections can be accessed online through a unique URL, and you can share this URL with colleagues to allow more than one person to review and edit the form. Here's how it works. Have one person in your program or department create the form by completing at least some of the basic information on the first page. Then, select the Save button at the bottom of the first page. The Save button provides you with a link that will take you right back to your in-progress form. Copy or email the unique URL to yourself and others and save it somewhere where you can find it. You and your colleagues can return to the form at any time by using the permanent link to your PRP. Well, that sums up this introduction to our new program review process and form. There will be more videos to help you as you progress through each section of the PRP form. If you have any questions, please contact the Palomar Instruction Office for assistance.